Hi! Welcome back to Tarot Page Philippines. So this video gawin natin ang weekly horoscope para po sa may mga sun, moon, and rising na Sagittarius. This is for April 14 to 20. So kung bago kayo sa channel, subscribe, like, and share. Kung hindi nyo po alam kung ano yung sun, moon, at rising sign nyo, kasi importante siya, at the end of the video, we have a link for this para mapanood nyo po. Remember, the readings are for guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. And I'm inviting you po to click yung join button sa baba para maging member po kayo at magkakaroon kayong access sa ating mga exclusive and extended videos and some additional benefits. Yung iba, yung iba doon, nakita nyo na. So may mga readings sila natatanggap yung members natin. And yung for private readings, spell works, and daily horoscope, pwede kayo mag-message sa page natin and our admin will help you. For donations naman po, pwede nyo po gamitin yung thanks button sa baba. Kasi nagiging cat food yun eh. Yes, napupunta sa cat food. Okay, so, kamusta ka na ba, Sagittarius? So, we have here is the 8 of Pentacles, tsaka si Happy Happy. Alam mo, work is very important. Ito naman. Kasi, aminin natin, lahat naman tayo makapera, and money is important as well. Kasi, paano kakain, di ba? Paano tayo magbabayad ng mga due dates natin? Paano tayo makakagala or do what we need to do? However, andun kasi na you also need to learn how to enjoy life. Kasi sabi nga nung boss ko dati noon, when I was working sa isang financial institution, kanya, Aero, all work, no play, that's bad. Sabi niya, if you work hard, you should also party hard. May point siya doon. Andun yung point na sinasabi sa'yo ng cards mo. Kailangan magkaroon ka din ng time to enjoy. Time to detoxify. Time to also relax. Time na medyo to find happiness. To enjoy, kumbaga celebrate the small winnings of your life. Ano ba yung mga naging previous success mo? You need to also enjoy it. You need to celebrate it. But, of course, we will celebrate it with boundaries. Hindi naman yung tipong wawaldasin natin lahat na pinaghirapan natin or andoon na sobrang wasted naman tayo or talagang bonggang-bongga. Learn to also balance it at that point. Kasi, what's crossing you is the 7 of Pentacles and the Soulmate. So, these two cards are actually saying then, yes, sabihin natin na as a Sagittarius, maalam ka when it comes to handling money. Maalam ka kung paano mo papaikutin yung funds mo. Pero, andun din na, you need to also find time in connecting with the right people. Let's say na parang, huwag mo kalimutan na to enjoy life with individuals who were there during the dark times mo, na andoon na nagpakita ng genuine affection, genuine love, ng care, nung wala ka may bibigay. Sila yung mga tipo na ako nagagawa niyan para sa'yo. Let me do it. Find time to build, to reconnect with those people. Kasi yun yung, yun yung nagiging, nasa-sacrifice mo ngayon. That is what's stopping you from really blooming. Kasi once, ito yun yung nakatuwa concept ng universe, about riches. Yung ibang, ang inisip kasi in the common perspective ng world kasi, para maging mayaman ka, you need to acquire, kuha na kuha. But the concept of in spirituality, for you to receive more, you need to give more. And this is the time that you give more love, more attention, affection, care, time to those people na kung saan it will be treasured. Yung sa mga tao na kung sila yung magbibigay talaga ng value doon sa mga ginagawa mo. And na-miss ka rin na nila. Ano ka ba? What is a simple hi, hello? Kamusta na? Then take it from there. Oh, this is your desired card. The moon tsaka a leg up. Well, if you need help, literally, you need to speak up. If you need, kailangan mo ng assistance, usong magsabi. Usong mag-reach out. Diba? Again, by nature, tayo mga tao, makasarili tayo. That is our human nature. Normal na sa atin yan. At mahirap or rare na may mga tao kaya nilang maramdaman, kaya nilang pakiramdaman yung nararamdaman ng iba, kaya nilang maintindihan kung ano ba yung aspect ng buhay nila. Maintindihan nila yung kung ano yung pinagdadaanan mo. Yung kaya nilang ilagay yung sarili nila doon sa sitwasyon mo. That's a rare kind of person. Yun yung mga nane-neglect mo na tao. So, reach out. Speak to them. Time that you go ahead and allow your emotions to connect with those individuals. Kasi, yun din yung longing ng heart mo with the card of the moon. Yun din yung hinahanap mo this time Now, yung foundation mo kasi dito, we have here the sun, tsaka si orphan. Well, siguro ang dami sa inyo talaga na nasanay kayo gumagalaw na mag-isa, ginagawa niyo yung mga bagay on your own. Kasi andun na, in a way, may mga moments na you want it to be perfect Kumbaga, pati siguro sa pagta-type, andoon na gusto nyo, dapat ganito siya, ganito yung font, ganito yung spacing, ganito yung color, ganito yung design, here is the margin, dapat may ganitong picture, dapat ito yung words, the punctuation. Yes, I know, you're very meticulous. Kasi, meron akong tita, she is sun in Sagittarius siya. Literal, kapag kailangan ko magpa-check ng isang article na ginawa ko, siya, yung kinakausap ko, pagbalik sa akin, ang daming renditions, ang daming corrections. You can see the smallest details. But, it's also good na magkaroon tayo ng mga network of people. Kasi they can also input new things or magkaroon ng breath of fresh air. Doon sa mga ginagawa natin. It may look good. So, nagawa mo na. It may look okay na siya. It met the standards. But the inputs of those people around you can make it better. Can make it more attractive. Can make it more pleasing. Now, sa past mo kasi, ayan na nga. The Devil tsaka Regeneration. So, Sagittarius, well, this is about Capricorn kasi. So, it's about also career. Well, it has two meanings kasi, Sagittarius. One here is that there is a Capricornian energy na, sabihin natin na, hinahanap mo that came from your past na you're still longing for it right now. The other reading is nakikita ko dito, in your past, iba sa inyo, hindi ka Capricorn para maging workaholic. Yes, andun tayo sa point na you are enjoying yung mga success na nakukuha mo, you are enjoying yung mga blessings, the fruits of your labor, which is good, pero mas masarap siya enjoy with the people that you treasure, with people that you value, and who values you at the same time. Yun yung medyo kailangan natin ibalik na for now sa life mo, Sagittarius. But in the possible, in yung future na ikaw, we have here is the Four of Pentacles, tsaka Peace. Ayun nga, medyo matigas talaga ulo mo pa rin, di ba? Na, doon na, may mga iba sa inyo, tutuloy nyo pa rin yung ginagawa nyo. You will still continue working and working. Marami sa inyo para sosolohin nyo yung mga bagay-bagay. Ang concern ko dito kasi, since naka-reverse yung card ng Peace, naka-reserve yung card ng Peace, paano kung bumigay yung katawan mo? Kasi, always remember, kahit na willing yung spirit natin, enjoy yung emotions natin, yung mind natin, sobrang powered up na siya. Kaya ba sumabay ng katawan mo? Kaya bang maki-jam? Kaya bang sustain ng energy ng physical body mo yung mga strenuous and long activities at yung mga dagdag na gagawin mo? Yun yung magandang question dun Are you able to do it? Kasi, yun nakakatakot. Kapag katawan natin naningil sa atin, grabe, everything will cease. So, take it as a warning na kailangan mo din bigyan ng time yung sarili mo to slow down. Enjoy life. Enjoy din. Na kung nakaka-relate ka sa readings natin, invite kita na i-click mo yung join button sa baba para ma-access mo yung ating exclusive readings, yung extended readings and exclusive videos, and some additional perks. Actually, iba nakita nyo na yun eh. So, yung mga members, we're giving to them free direct readings. Okay, tuloy muna natin yung reading mo. So, yung physical environment mo is 3 of Swords and TikTok. Well, andun lang talaga na this is a two-way reading kasi. Unang-una, there are promises na sinabi sa'yo na hindi mo pa nakikita nangyayari. And medyo, at some point, medyo naalibadbaran ka doon kasi parang, ano ba, ang tagal. But at the same time, you have promises that you haven't fulfilled yet. Now, andun kasi na, may mga tao kasing kaya nilang, siguro, yung child part ng mga, may child part pa tayo, yung inner child natin, na kaya nating kumapit sa mga pangako. Kaya nating maniwala sa isang bagay na sa mga salita. Kasi andoon na we trust the person. But this is a moment na both parties, you nabigyan ng pangako at ikaw nagbigay ng pangako. Yung sa side kasi nila, medyo may hirapan kasi wala kang control on paano sila mag-isip, paano sila gumalaw. But on your end, you have the capacity to make the necessary adjustments, you make necessary changes. If the promise cannot be fulfilled right now, you could talk to the person, you could talk to the individual para maging aware sila. Andoon na i-treasure mo pa rin na nagtiwala sila sa'yo. As much as, kasi kung ano naramdaman mo doon sa delayed or broken promises from those people around you, is the same feeling that nararamdaman ng mga tao towards you. Let's make it, let's normalize yung kung ano yung mga naramdaman natin na hindi maganda from other people, huwag natin ipasa intentionally or unintentionally sa ibang tao. Because your emotional environment, we have here is 2 of Cups and higher power. So a lot of you guys naman doon na, let's say na when it comes to personal happiness, a lot of you guys is na-enjoy yun. Andoon na you are nagkaroon kayo ng mga mindset na tinitingnan niyo yung mga good things in life, tinitingnan niyo ano ba yung you're being thankful sa mga natatanggap nyo, doon sa continuous blessings na binibigay ng universe. Pero andoon din na you need to also make sure that you also share that same energy to other people. Kasi what goes around comes around. Kung ano yung kumbaga, di ba? Kung ano yung binabato mo sa universe, ano yung nare-release mo sa universe, will be the same energy that will return back to you in greater intensity. Sabi nung ibang nagpa-practice, karma daw, it comes back sa, three folds daw ang balik. Ako hindi. I believe it's coming back yung karma, positive or negative man yan. 7 times yan. Based na sa sinabi sa Luke. Oh my gosh, nalimutan ko. Luke, chapter 6, verse 38 yata. Basta sabi doon, if you give, di ba isa lang, yung comparison niya, it will come back to you. Good measure, pressed down, shaken together, running over. The measure that you have used will be used upon you. And will be provided to you. See? 7 times. 7 folds ang balik. So, andoon na share it. Because if you want to really sustain yung that good feeling, that good emotions, ituloy mo yung ginagawa para madagdagan siya, madagdagan. Pass it on. Yung tinatawag na pay it forward. Hindi mo magawa. Kumbaga, sa mga ibang tao na kahit na nakikita mo or alam mo deserve naman na maramdaman yung ganong klase ng joy and happiness in their lives. Hopes and fears mo. So, meron tayo itong Temperance and Not For You. Well, what a coincidence. Ito din kasi ang ruling card mo. Temperance, the Angel of Balance. About philosophy, about higher learning, and about travel. Okay, sige, ikaw na talaga yung gala. Pero ang dami kasi sa inyo na naghahanap kayo ng way para makaalis. And ito yung maganda in terms sa house mo, Sagittarius, is when you go out and you refresh yourself with nature, especially nature, andoon na ang daming bagong bright ideas ang dumadating. Ang daming bagong goodness na ipapinapadala universe. Ang daming mga ideas na napupukaw. Actually, hindi lang basta bagong ideas It's also old ideas na biglang nagigising sa'yo para, ilalaban ko to, or I'll do this and I'll do that, I'll make this happen. So, andun yung point that the universe is giving you that liberty, that's giving you the chance na, i-manifest natin yan. So, it's another way for you to receive the blessings from the universe. Pero tingnan ano ba yung possible future mo? So, your possible future kasi is we have here the King of Swords tsaka flexibility. So, there will be some major changes na gagawin ng universe, sabi nga ng flexibility. And andoon na matcha-challenge yung mind mo kung paano mo to i-structure, kung paano mo to dadalhin, paano mo to i-implement, paano mo i-layout yung process na to. And dito papasok yung help na manggagaling sa mga ibang tao. Remember, binanggit natin doon kanina that you will also need to get some help from people. I think this is also especially sa with regards doon sa Capricornian energy na from your past. So, sino ba itong mga to? And ano ba yung structure na gagawin? In which aspect of your life ba? And when can we expect the universe will implement this? I-check natin siya sa extended reading mo. Para mapanood mo, i-click mo lang yung join button sa baba, and you will have access to our extended readings and also additional benefits as well. Remember, the readings were for guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So maraming salamat sa Guitarios. God bless, Namaste, Hare Krishna, and blessed be, and hope to see you in our extended readings. From Dominican Hill in Baguio City, have a great day. I'll see you soon.